We're always looking for, yes, the intervention. We're always trying to make it better. Our hearts are breaking because this little kid, it doesn't want to be in that position. No kid wants to be in that position. They don't want to come to school in that condition and do what they do. But then there's another piece of me that also recognizes that we still need to hold them accountable. That it's not, it's like, okay, so after a while, it's like, hey, you trashed a classroom today and you're in the sports center and we're working together. You're going to build a building in here, but you're not going outside to play with your friends today, but you can play right here. But we have to contain you now because you've proven to us that you cannot contain yourself. And I think that's where adults have to kind of balance the intervention with the accountability. Your behavior, that's why I get so excited about behavior. I love it. I just lean right into it, good, bad, or ugly. Because even when I see some of these, what I call little disasters happening with kids, I still can't help myself but go, what's going on? What is going on with that kid?